Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one oi Great Dane, back with day 190 Star Drop opening, and you know what that means? 3 bells means free ice cream, but 3 days of Club League means a free Mega Pig, so let's see what we got. Again, I can't actually tell if this thing is full, by the way. I know we got to 5 out of 5, but there's like one last stage, and I'm not sure if we actually filled it or not. I'd have to look at a comparison of a full Mega Pig to actually be able to tell, but at the very least, we got close. We got 106 bling, 508 coins, 213 power points, which is okay, I guess, but the main point here is the star drops. So we got 20, which I actually think is the full Mega Pig, but again, I would have to look to make sure I can tell you guys in the comments after the video.
Super Rare.
Starting with Super Rare, 50 power points. I should also mention, I was really like 1 win away from getting all 3 of the additional star drops. And if you guys want to know a tip for that is, as soon as they release the Mega Pig event, play it as soon as possible and use all of your tickets. Because let's say 5 people in the club get 11 wins. Whoever the first person to get 11 wins was gets first place, and it goes in time order down the line. So you're essentially like setting the records, so you get to keep that number. So unless someone scores higher than you, you guarantee yourself the additional star drops. Again, I don't know if you guys care about that, but that's how you do it. Or if you're wondering how the ranking system works, because it seems unfair that someone who got the same number of wins as you is getting the star drops and you're not. That's how they do it. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. Anyway.
Epic.
Next we got an Epic. 200 coins, pretty decent.
Super Rare.
Super Rare. 200 XP doublers.
Mythic.
A Mythic. 500 credits.
Mythic.
Another Mythic. 500 coins.
Super Rare.
Super Rare. 100 coins.
Epic.
Epic. 100 coins.
Rare.
Rare. 50 points.
Super Rare.
Super Rare. 50 power points.
Epic.
Epic. 200 points.
Rare.
Rare. 100 extra doublers.
Rare.
Rare. 100 extra doublers.
Rare.
Rare again. 25 power points.
Super Rare.
Super Rare. 50 points.
Super
Another
Rare.
Super Rare. 100 coins.
Rare.
Rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Another rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Rare again. 50 coins as well.
Rare.
Still rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Finishing with a rare. 100 XP doublers. And then the summary of what I got, essentially. So it looks a bit better in consideration with all the rewards here, but it's just decent enough for a monthly Mega Pig. And it's actually kind of like, if you complete all your quests, and I don't know why they switched it the way they did, but it would appear that how they used to do it is every, I believe it was Tuesday and Thursday, you get your additional Brawl Pass exclusive quests. And now you also get the daily exclusive quest, but it happens every single day. So it's kind of like getting a free Mega Pig. Actually, probably better than a Mega Pig if you save all your star drops to open for the very last day. But other than that, for a daily freebie, you have 10 power points. And for the other daily freebie, we have 60 XP doublers. We have Crow's Hypercharge in the shop. Again, I would hope to get that out of a star drop instead of buying it. And I don't think much else has changed. They took away 5v5 for now. It's a Cartoon Studios challenge. I don't know what that is. You guys can tell me if you know in the comments. Other than that, I don't think much has changed since yesterday. So as of today, I have 2,398 XP doublers and 19,984 power points. So again, I know a lot of people are hoping for that PowerPoint cap anytime now, so am I. So, let's see if I can take this, guys. Hey guys, I'm back with 3 more star drops because I almost forgot that there were 3 more daily star drops. So let's see what we have here.
Legendary.
Okay, starting with a legendary. 1,000 coins.
Epic.
An epic. 100 credits.
Rare.
And rare. 50 coins. Yeah, nothing too amazing there. But I would like to congratulate my club because I just checked and apparently 20 is the max Mega Pig reward. 20 star drops, that is. So, after all this time, we finally got a max Mega Pig. But also, it's probably pretty simple considering that if you actually think about it, going from 18 to 15 wins and they consider the top 20 contributors, that actually decreases the amount of wins you need to get the max Mega Pig by 60, which is like 6 whole players, which is huge. So, yeah, again, let's see how far you can take this, guys, and let me know if you got anything good out of your Mega Pigs.